Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector, welcome back to the YouTube channel. So in today's video we are going to talk about the RDP from Retrobit. In other words, a Retro Duo Portable. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, become one of the Wicked family and hit that little bell. Because if you hit this, the master of YouTube will send you a message when I upload a new video. And you can always stay up to date. So we're going to take a close look at this portable device that can play cartridges. And also we are going to test this retro port so we can also play NES games. I'm ready for it. I hope you are, because this is going to be awesome. Alright, so this is what we're going to get with the RDP. There is no box because I bought this thing second hand. Yeah, I do that sometimes. Just I want to show this product. I want to test it out and show it here on the channel. And the first thing that I noticed with this device, this is a little bit older. I don't know exactly how old, but what I really hate about this thing is this rubber compound. You can see the plastic, I don't know, you can even see it, but it feels a little bit sticky. I hate it when they are using these compounds on the portable systems. They are more for extra grip, but at the end, yeah, they're going to get sticky. Right, we're having all the functionalities with an original controller, so we can play games. The D-pad feels quite nice, but sounds horrible. Select start, brightness control. At the bottom we having over here the volume control. On a switch. This is for charging. And we even have a dual controller support. In other words, we can attach a second controller. At the top we're having the slot, and as you can see, hope you can see it, that it supports FX games. Yeah, alright, and we're having the AV out. This wasn't in the kit, but nevertheless. Alright, let's see how this thing fits. Ooh, very nice. Can I pull it out very easily? Alright, that can be the problem with the device, like this. Alright, so the first thing that I'm noticing with this device, the screen itself is very nice. So we're having different settings if it comes to brightness control. The volume is not very loud. I'm a little bit disappointed with the two speakers over here. But yeah, nevertheless, let's play some games and let's see how it plays. Alright, so I also wanted to test out, does this thing work with a multi-game card? Can we use an EverDrive on this device? And then we're going to test the NES part. Alright, let's see. We're done with a multi-card. Oh yes, it can work with a multi-game card. Oh, that is really cool. So that is very convenient if you want to bring all your games with you. Alright, let's see. How good is the D-pad? Alright, that did work. Not bad at all. Alright, just a quick test. Does it support the 801 if it boots up? Yep. So yes, people, it does support EverDrive. So that is very convenient. Alright, so it's time to test some NES games. I'm very curious, what are we going to get with this? Yeah, how portable is this device? But look at this. And then we're going to use a cartridge. Yeah. Can you see yourself walking with this device? Nevertheless, alright, let's boot it up. It seems to be working this way, so you can play original NES games. The sound is not the best, but it's not bad at all. Okay, that seems to be working. Alright, now we're going to try this other version. This is back in the day, the non-official licensed games. The question is, does this thing run everything? Alright, let's stick it in. It's a gigantic mess of a game system this way. But it is not supporting every game, so keep it in mind that you can play, let's say, custom games or original games, but there is a limitation. And for the last part, let's try a multi-card. And let's see if this thing boots up. Yup, it boots up. Okay, very nice. Press select, go to the other multi-card. Oh, that is nice, that is nice. Alright, so let's try some games and let's see how they are running. Alright, let's see. And a fun fact, when I'm wiggling it, it doesn't freeze, so that is really cool. If you're wiggling a little bit, going over a bumpy road, it doesn't matter. Keep playing. Are they seriously coming? Look at me, I'm a badass. Sometimes the screen do flicker. I don't know if there's a problem with the game itself or... Alright, so let's try the TV out option. By the way, the cable wasn't included in my package, maybe in yours, keep that in mind. Alright, so it duplicates the image itself because it's still on the portable system. There's always the question, some of these portable systems just shut down the display in the handheld itself, but in this case, pretty cool. Alright. Alright, so this is what we're going to get with the RDP from Retrobit. I think the biggest complaint I have with this device is the sticky stuff that is on the system. That is always really annoying when using these compounds. But for overall performance, and if you look at how comfortable it is, I am very satisfied with it. If you play fighting games, I have filled way better D-pads, but in general, it's not bad at all. It is not bad at all, and as you can see with the Street Fighter gameplay, I can play the game just fine. So yeah, maybe you're already owning this device, or I just really want to know from you what is your opinion about products like this. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell, because we have a lot of great stuff coming up. And see you in the next video.